Today's project team is all about taking this space to the next level. You might recognize this one. We renovated the actual room quite a while ago now, and I've been brought back into this family home to see what I can now create inside this space. They have their TV wall and entertainment unit behind us, but the brief is that this is a bit of an adult space. It's not meant to be all about the TV, hence we've disguised it with a panelled wall. So we need to be really careful about how we can create that adult conversational space whilst allowing it to be a TV room when needed. I'm a huge fan of area rugs, and even though this is on carpet, I'm going to pop one into this space as well. It's going to give it that really grown-up feel, and it's going to give me a place to anchor two beautiful big three-seater lounges onto. Now I'm going to pop them in a way that not many people usually would in a room with a TV. I'm actually going to pop them opposing one another, so they're a really conversational, really lounge feel rather than TV room feel. Now we have all of the large pieces in place now. We have our lounges, entertainment unit and coffee table. Now you'll notice that I've anchored the front legs of the lounges on the rug. That is a minimum and a must. I've also floated these lounges away from the wall. So I have about 300 mils between the lounge and the wall. Now that is so that the space actually works. It means that every single person, so imagine some cheese and wine and adult conversation in here, every single person that's sitting on a lounge can easily grab their next piece of cheese or top up their wine. Let's not stop there. Let's take this space to that next level. Some throws and some floor cushions for when extra people pop over and need a spare seat. There you have it, we're done in here. We've got our two lounges in here from Luxo Living, perfect size and shape for this room. They're not too big and bulky, they've got a tad Ascandi to them without being too polarizing. And this adult space is now all done, complete with side tables for glasses of wine and even a PlayStation for when the adults want to become a little bit more like kids. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this episode of DIY Wednesday. It would mean the world to me if you liked the video and subscribed to the channel, and I'll be back to see you on Friday.